How to stop ads on YouTube mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can stop ads on YouTube mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the issue here is quite simple. If you open the YouTube app and you see lots of intrusive ads over here, so you can see one of the ads here. If you play a certain video, you get to see an ad again, and so on and so forth, and it's actually quite annoying for you because you don't want to see ads. Now if you don't want to see ads, I only recommend you one thing, that is to simply come to your profile icon from the bottom right of the screen and scroll down. From the bottom you'll find the option called Get YouTube Premium, so make sure to tap on Get YouTube Premium. And to do that, you can see one of the features of YouTube Premium is ad-free and background play. You can also go to downloads, or you can also get the YouTube Music Premium, and it's actually not that expensive as well, so you might want to consider paying a certain amount of fee. You also get a 1 month free trial, and then after that only you will get charged $3.50 per month, and we will remind you in 7 days before your trial ends. So if you want to test it, you can go ahead and then tap on the try it for free option. You can choose a plan, such as whether you want an individual plan or family plan, which you want to share it with all your family members, which is going to be more useful to you if you have a whole family. Or if you are a student, you can actually apply for it and get for only $1.99 a month, so that's actually not that very expensive. So you can just tap the confirm option here. As you tap on confirm option, you can add payment method to your Google account by tapping the add credit or debit card option. Once you've done that, you will get YouTube Premium and you will no longer see ads on YouTube. This way you will be able to stop ads on YouTube mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.